Yes, students, how you did your test? How you did your test? Respond. Don't worry about the attendance. At the end, I'll take. Yes, students, how I'm asking, how was the internal test? How you felt the internal test? Is it tough? Is it
Good man.
was it lengthy? Good. It was not lengthy also, no? It was not lengthy also. The question paper was easy. Yes, students, is my screen is visible? Can you see the PDF of your question paper? Is the screen is visible, students? Okay, so yes, the question paper was very simple. The first question was with an example. Explain sealed class and extension method. Sealed class and extension method, and demonstrate the usage of virtual and override keyword with an example program. Write the syntax of abstract class and the characteristics of abstract class and abstract method. So you write the syntax of delegate and explain with the program example. Draw and explain the architecture of ADO.NET. Write the syntax of connection string. Explain the steps to get the connection string. How many of you explained it properly? Yes, students, very few of the students have attended this question, but they have not written properly the step-by-step procedure. But still, I have given marks because anyway, in the part B, you will get a clear idea. But those who have written this, the sixth question, students, still you have to focus. Still, you have to elaborate on this sixth question. The second question, seventh question here, design the class for application of a education institute with having it is having some means you have to write the program to show the reusability. And here I have given this C. In this question, students, in 8 questions, the questions are very simple. Define event, purpose of the event, list out any 5 toolbox controls. Describe tree and picture box control. Differentiate radio button and list box. Yes, the question paper was very simple and it was not lengthy also. How many you don't have any doubt in the question paper, no, students? Okay, I'll move with my regular class. Yes, students, can you see my screen is visible, students? Is the screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Screen ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Okay. Yes, students, by seeing this window presentation foundation, do you remember anything? ಯಾಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಒಂದಿನ ಕೇಳಿದೀವಿ ಅಥವಾ anybody listening first time here? This Windows presentation foundation. Yes, students. I'll move my slides, some of the slides I'll move so that you can identify from which model you are going to study this. Where you have studied all this? The first module, correct now, students? The first module we have studied window presentation foundation, Windows communication foundation, window workflow foundation. We have seen. Yes, students, these are all the important components of .NET framework. Important components of .NET framework. Here we have see again in the fourth module. In the fourth module, in detail, we are studying this window presentation foundation. Again, this I'm showing from first module. Why? Because here we have learned the architecture of Windows presentation foundation. Yes, students, if you remember, when I was explaining this diagram, when I was explaining this, I told you here we have the layers. We have the layers in this window presentation foundation. Yes, students, if you observe the diagram here, whatever the services, see, yes, now we have started with the second part B programs. Correct, no, students? In part B program, what is very important? What is very important? Part B program is important. The database. Yes, we are developing an application. When we say an application, the database is very much important. Correct? No? We learned how to design the database. Yes? ADO.NET, in the ADO.NET and we learned the connection string, how to create table, how to get the connection string, how to add the data into the table. Yes, students, we have learned this. So after the database, the next thing is the interface. Correct? Interface. I have shown you so many interfaces. In the interface, we take text boxes. If I take only the text box, then what happens? I'll not be knowing that in the particular text box what input I have to take. So to label that text box, what we are using, students? What we are using? We are using labels. We are using labels. Do you remember in part B we have seen all this? In Vidya. So in addition to that, here we have Windows Presentation Foundation. The main aim of this Windows Presentation Foundation is to present the GUI attractive, clear, and it provides a good services. Here you can say the document service. The document service means XPS documents and the packages, those services, and the UI control, UI services. UI means user interface. UI means user, very much important. Correct? No? Because why it is important? User interface. The user interface is a medium between the system and the user. Correct? No? It is if you are filling some application, then there you are not talking to any person. Correct? No, students. When you go for online filling, do you speak with any persons there? If you have any ambiguity, if you have any doubt, when you are filling online, no. So whatever, if I am developing that application, I have to develop in such a way that should be user friendly. The UI interface should not have any ambiguity. It should not have any jargons. Whatever the doubts, it should be user friendly. It should, in one word, I can say it should be user friendly. So when you in the user interface, what are the services it is providing is layouts, controls, deployment services. It is going to provide, and the very important thing is media integration layer. In media integration layer, you can add images. Yes, students, we have seen images we can add, and effects. Effects means elastic. If I click on if I click my mouse pointer on the text box or on some item, then it should highlight. Yes, on focus, off focus. We have seen in web, no? The mouse events. Did you study the mouse events on focus? When you put your mouse pointer on that particular text box or on the particular button, then it will be little focused. Why? Because we are using on focus event. So like that, some effects we can give, and 2-dimensional images, 3-dimensional images, and different text we can give, we can use in the media integration layer, and audio video effects also you can give. In animation you can do. The main services are XAML. Yes, students, this XAML we are going to study in detail in future classes. XAML, accessibility, input and eventing, property system. All these are main services of window presentation. This we have learned in first module. Yes, students, this we have learned in first module. Now, so now we know what is window presentation foundation. Correct now, students? The window presentation foundation mainly we are using for the interface to develop a attractive, to develop a user-friendly, to a good interface, we use this window presentation foundation. So the same point is here. That is, WPF is UI framework. WPF means what? Come on. WPF andre ಏನು? Yes. Respond window presentation. Yes, students, window presentation. Window presentation foundation. WPF stand for window presentation foundation. Window presentation foundation. This window presentation foundation is a UI interface. UI means user interface framework. It is used to create a attractive client applications. This window presentation foundation, it is used to create a attractive client application, and it is used to develop various applications. Yes, student, do we develop any application till now? Other application develop ಮಾಡಿದೀವಾ? Yes. Still we have not completed any application, but we are doing. Yes, we are doing, no? The response students. If you don't respond, then I'll not understand whether you are listening, whether you are understanding or not. Yes, students, here I'm opening a Visual Studio. So I'll show you. Till now we have developed some of the forms. Those forms are part of the applications. Correct now? The part of application. So we have designed some of the forms. So how we have developed a forms? We have the toolbox control. Using toolbox control, we are developing an application. So this window presentation foundation is used to develop various applications, and window presentation foundation uses XAML language. This window presentation foundation uses XAML language, and I told you in the previous slide, XAML language in detail we are going to study. And see here we have some of the new features of window presentation foundation. We have some of the new features of window presentation foundation. Yes, students, see here, this is an application which we have developed. Yes, this is an application which we have developed. Here in this application or in this form, what we are doing in this application, we have created for a registration. What registration we are doing? We are doing some event registration. Yes, this text label, why I have taken this label? Because if I don't take this label, then any new user or a customer or the end user, if come and see this application, then they'll not understand for what we are registering the information. They'll not understand for what purpose we are registering the registering here, and for what purpose we are collecting these information. What are the information? Name, USN, name, semester, and the event. So if I take a label, if I take a label and if I label this particular, form, then a new user or any user come and see this window form, then they'll understand here we are doing registration for some event. Here, so registration form for events. So assume that we are doing some technical fest or non-technical fest. So there, whatever may be the fest. So for that fest, we are organizing some of the events. So to participate in the event. So before participation, we need the students or the participants need to get registered in the. They have to register. So this is a registration form for the event. So here the we are doing this is also yes students, this is presentation only, no? So here we are presenting something. What we are presenting, students, here? What we are presenting here? ಏನು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ? Respond. What I am presenting here? Yes students, are you following or not? Yes. Yes.
Registration form, ma'am.
Okay, here I am presenting. Okay, good. Some of the labels and text box. Here I have taken some of the labels and text. PPT. So here we have some of the features, some of the new features for Window Presentation Foundation. Develop a business application. Yes, the business application is nothing but some commercial applications. Some commercial, to develop a commercial application, we can use this Window Presentation Foundation, and support for development of touch-enabled application. What is touch-enabled, students? If I assume that if I take a rectangle, or if I take a box, if I click on this, it should increase the size. So elastic, like elastically it is. Elastic means what? If I correct, no? Elastic means if I stretch, the size will vary. Correct, no? Size will vary. So similarly here, if I click on this button, if I click on this rectangle, then it should stretch. How it should stretch? When it stretches, then the size will vary. Yes students, will the size vary? Yes, definitely the size vary. Or if I click on something, if I click on button, or if I click on some shape, then it should change the color. Yes, when I am touching something, then some event is happening, no students? So thus here we can say it support for the development of touch-enabled applications. When I am touching to this particular rectangle, then it is some event is happening. Visual State Manager. So Visual State Manager means here we have different types of buttons. One a normal button, and some buttons, if I put my mouse pointer on the button, the color will change. Like that. We have different types of buttons. So when we do the program, you'll understand clearly. So different types of buttons are there, different types of designings are there. Using this Window Presentation Foundation, we can do this. And selection and caret brushes feature we'll do a Power BI program, you'll understand clearly. And new Presentation Foundation text rendering stack is there, and it improvements in XML browser applications. Using this Window Presentation Foundation, there is an improvement in the browser. Which type of browser? Using XAML, whatever the browsers we develop, so we can find some of the improvements. Next, we have some other new features of window presentation control. Data grid. Yes, students, what is data grid? Coming back to this Visual Studio, in the Visual Studio, students, what is grid? Yes, students, still you don't respond. I am not going to go to the next topic, next point. What is data grid view? What is data grid view? Yes, just to display the data. And any other answers? Any other answers? Yes, students, this here we have a features of Windows application, Windows presentation foundation. The first one is data grid view. This data grid view is used to display the data. This data grid view is used to display the data from the database. Yes, students, if you want, you can write down, you can make a note. The data grid view is used to display the data from the database. Database means what? The tables which we have created. The tables which we have created, and when we run an application, when we run a form, then we enter some data, we enter some information. So that information will be entered into the database. Correct now? So every time I cannot go to the database, I want to display that information on my form only. On my form only, I want to display that information. To display on the form, we use data grid view. Yes, students, we use data grid. This data grid is a control. It is a control that displays the data from the database table in a grid format. Grid format means, students, a table format which has rows and columns. Which has rows and columns. Which has rows and columns. It displays the data in the form of rows and columns. Yes. In addition, it generates the columns automatically. Yes, students. See here in the server. Yes, yes, students. In the server explorer, we have created some of the tables. We have created some of the tables. So in the table, in the table, one second, I'll open this and I'll show. Yes, yes, students. Can you see this now? You can see. You can see this table. Yes. See the columns. Why we are using these columns, students? So why am see we are here in this form we in this table we are taking a information that is USN, name, semester, and the event. So when I run the application, this information is stored in the database. This particular information is stored in the database. So each time I don't want to go to the database. So what I do is I take this is nothing but this is a data grid view, students. This is a, yes, you can see now where I'm highlighting the I have put my mouse pointer. Yes, gotagta idea. So this is a data grid view. When I run this application, Yes, students, can you see this? ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Yes. See, using this data grid, we are displaying the data. Now, if I register, if I give a USN 1 BY 19 MCA 10 name Arun, semester 5th, event coding, register. Yes, the details were added to the database. Okay. Yes, if you see the data, if you see the grid view, only two data is up displaying. Yes, third data banta. Yes, students, if I don't use this grid view, what happens? Again, every time I have to open the table and I have to check whether the data has inserted or not. Correct, Alva? Is it right, students? Yes. So here, using this data grid view, it will display the data in the table format, and yes, as in the point as it is saying, it shows the data from the database. Yes, database in the see, whatever when I register something, when I register the event, whatever the information I'm giving first, and that will be stored into the database. From the database, it will fetch the data. The grid view will fetch the data from the database and it will show on the monitor. It will display on the monitor. And using in this data grid view, if you want to do any validation for rows and columns, you can do. And the next point we have calendar. What is the use of calendar, students? Calendar is a control that enables you to select a date from the visual calendar. This calendar is a control. This calendar is a control which is used This calendar is a control which is used to select a date from the calendar. It can be used as a separate control. It can be used as a separate control in the drop down as a part of date pick control. So this calendar control can be used separately as a drop down. As a drop down also you can use. See here. From where I took this calendar, students? From where I took this? Where it will be available? Where it will be available? No idea where it will be available? ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? Yes, Tanuj. Madhushri. From where I have taken this? This November 2020, it is showing November 2020. From where I have taken this?
Date time picker.
Yes, Madhushri, you are telling something?
Date time picker.
Not asking about date. No. I am not asking that. This calendar, this month calendar I have taken. No, from where I have taken this? Date time picker?
No, ma'am.
It's Tanuj, Tejaswini.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Nazma? Tanuj, from where? Till now, from where I have taken this calendar, Tanuj? Elina Bantu calendar.
Toolbox, Ratna.
Toolbox in the Nazma, are you there, Nazma? Nazma, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
From where I have taken that calendar? Elinda went to calendar. This calendar. Vega.
Tool, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, students, in the toolbox, we have all the, yes, Nazma, correct. Yes, in the toolbox, we have all the controls. We have all the controls. So, this month, this calendar also I have taken from this toolbox only. In the toolbox, you have an option. That is month calendar. Just select, drag and drop, students. Just to drag and drop, so it will be displayed on the form. So to display any, if we are developing any program which is related in there, if you want to take a month or date information, so like date of joining, date of birth, date of appointment, some any information which is related to date and month, so there we take calendar. And next we have date picker. Yes, date picker also we have in a toolbox, that is date time picker. Yes, students, date time picker. Just select, drag and drop to the form. Yes, here I have done that. Monday, today is Monday. It will show the current date of system date. It will show. So here in my laptop, today's date is 9th November and the Monday, and here is 2020. When I select date time picker, when I select date, then it will display month. It will display day, month, date. Yes, you can see. You can see this form, students. If the font, because I cannot increase the font size of this. So if you can zoom your mobile phone and you can see Monday, November 9, 2020, it is displaying. 2020, it is displaying. So date and date picker is similar to the text box control. This date picker is similar to the text box control, which is attached with the calendar control and allows you to select the date either by entering in the text box directly or by attaching the calendar. Yes, students, here what is the difference between this and this calendar and this daytime picker? Here also in the calendar it has highlighted to 9. Why it is highlighted to 9? Because today's date is 9 and it is showing November month. Here, whereas in the daytime time picker, it is displaying like text box. Correct? Text box it is displaying, no? It is display means, so that's why here it is they are telling date picker is similar to text box control. So this date picker is similar to text box control, which is attached to the calendar control and allows you to select the date either by entering in the text box directly. Yes, here nodi Monday ide. So here Monday 9 November, month is November, 9 is highlighted and year is 2020. Here it is showing in the calendar format. Here it is showing in the text box. In a text box, it is showing. So next we have support to develop a touch-enabled application. What is touch-enabled application? Just now I told you, when I click on the, if I take a rectangle, and if I write a program, like 1 second. If I write a program, if I click on the rectangle, then the size should increase. Size should increase. Yes, the touch happening. If I am touching this rectangle, then the size is varying. The size is varying. So like this type of application also, it will support. So next we have Window Presentation Foundation 4.0 architecture. Yes, students, you can, yes, is the diagram is clear, students? Diagram ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Yes. Is the diagram is visible? So this is the architecture of Window Presentation Foundation. The first one is presentation framework, presentation core, Windows based, common language runtime, my core, Windows core, Windows user 32, and DirectX and the kernel. So this is the architecture. This is the architecture of Window Presentation Foundation. This architecture 4.0, this is the part of .NET. This is this is a part of .NET Framework 4.0. Yes, is it right? This Window Presentation Foundation architecture is a part of this .NET Framework 4.0. Correct? Yes, students, when we learn .NET Framework 4.0 architecture in module 1, we have studied Window Presentation Foundation. Correct now? Odidiva? Yes. Yes, students, can you see this .NET Framework 4.0? Can you see this? Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, here. Yes, here you can see. This is Window Presentation Foundation. Illide nodi. This is a complete architecture of .NET Framework 4.0. In this, under this, we have this Window Presentation Foundation. It is a part of .NET Framework 4.0. Yes, this Window Presentation Foundation is a part. WPF is part of .NET Framework. So again, I'm saying here, this Window WPF 4.0 architecture. This is a part of .NET Framework architecture. It is a part of .NET Framework architecture. When we were learning about .NET Framework architecture, we have learned a very important concept, that is CLR. Yes, students, CLR and managed and unmanaged code. If you don't remember, I'll repeat once again. Managed and unmanaged code we have learned in Window .NET Framework architecture. Yes, students, the managed code means the managed code will execute or compile through this CLR. Unmanaged code will not compile through this CLR. When it is compiling through CLR, whatever the features we have for this CLR, all those properties or all those features will be applied to that particular code. So for example, if I am executing addition of two number program and subtraction of two number program, a simple program example I am taking. First program is addition of two numbers and second program is subtraction of two numbers. So this program is a managed code. The first program is managed code and the second program is unmanaged code. Unmanaged code means we are not compiling through this CLR. We are not compiling through this CLR. Now the question is, what happens we compile through the CLR and what happens we don't compile with the CLR. So when we compile with the CLR, whatever the features we have for this CLR, all this will be applied. Now one simple example I'll give. When we go to some events or when we go to concert, students, we take tickets, we buy tickets. No, we buy tickets. If you buy ticket, then you will sit in the audience. You'll sit in the audience. If you yes, everybody will be audience. Everybody will be audience. But if you get a VIP ticket, there the treatment will be different. Yes, correct. No, normal ticket ginta VIP ticket, maybe the cost will be different. The charges may vary, but the facility varies. No, students. Here for VIP you will be having security irutta. They'll be here, you will be having security. The seating arrangement will be different. Correct, no? The seating arrangement will be different. Maybe they are also providing some water bottles, some snacks also they might have providing for VIPs. But those facilities are not given to the normal audiences. Yes, you can assume this is an unmanaged code. The normal audiences are unmanaged code. So this is the managed code. So in the managed code, whatever the facilities we are getting, they are giving for the VIP candidates. All the those facilities will be given to the persons who enter into the VIP section. Artha aita? Yes, students, understood? So here, when we execute a code, when we compile a code using this through this manage, the manage will, when we compile a code through this managed code, then whatever the features we have for CLR, all the features will be applied. Now the question is, what are the features of CLR? Recall what we studied in CLR. CLR stands for Common Language Runtime that make use of a different feature. So CLR is a cross-language integration, and it is type safety and security. It is providing us type safety and security, debugging and exception handling and garbage collection. So this CLR has a features that is, it is a cross-language integration. It provides a safety and security to the code, and it also provides the exception handling and garbage collection. So all these features will be applied to the managed code. To unmanaged code, all these features will not be applied. So here in .NET Framework, in Window Presentation Framework 4.0, here we have both managed code and unmanaged code. Here we have both managed and unmanaged. For managed code, the CLR properties will be applied. For unmanaged code, the CLR properties will not be applied. So here in this diagram, in this architecture, the presentation framework. What is the use of this presentation? The presentation framework means the main thing is the appearance. The important thing is appearance. Yes, students, you understood managed and unmanaged code through this examples, through this concert example. You understood? Artha aita? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Followed. Here in the architecture, the first point we have is window. The first point is presentation framework. The presentation framework means it is used for the customized appearance. Customized appearance. What is customized appearance, students? Yes. Can you see this second text box? Second text box, name text box. Kanasta idea? Yes.
ma'am.
First text box kanasta idea? USN text box. What is the difference between first text box and the second text box? For the first text box, the background color I have changed to blue. For the second text box, I have not changed. See, by default, the background color of a text box will be white, students. Here, what I am doing, I am customizing. In your phone also, you have an option. In your phone also, if you you have option, the general settings. So the modes, silent mode, general mode, meeting mode. Idalva? Yes. Do we have silent mode, general mode, and meeting mode? So generally, what happens in the silent mode, when we put our phone in the silent mode, the ring will be muted, the volume will be muted. So that we are not going to do that in the system, in the setting only. It is yeah, they have done like that. They have done like that, and they have made that state as a silent mode. General mode. General mode. What happens in the general mode? The ringing in the general mode, the company ringtone will be there. The company wallpaper will be there. Yes, irutalva. The company wallpaper will be there. Company ringtone will be there. So I want to change. So what I can do, what I will do there, I will do the customization. Customization means whatever I like, whatever the screen I like, whatever the music I like, whatever the ringtone I like, whatever the background I like. So I will according to my choice I will put. Correct, now students? So similarly, here in the in the presentation framework, we can customize the appearance. Yes. Am I customizing here? Customize ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಾ? Yes, for second text box, I have changed the background color to black. Yes, here I am doing the customization. I'm doing the customization. So the main important thing for window presentation framework is to customize the appearance. Background color change, font color change, font style changing, everything will comes under this customization of customization. This customization is nothing but the presentation framework. In the presentation framework, to look the to make the form more attractive, we use with the help of different controls. Yes, students, this is very important. With the help of different controls, we customize the Windows application. Correct now? Without this toolbox, can you customize? Yes, students, without this toolbox, can you customize ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. So using this toolbox, we customize the window application or window form. The presentation core, Windows base, that we'll see in the next class. Here I'll stop, students. Just answer your attendance. Yes, students, understood? Any doubt? ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ doubt ಇದೆಯಾ? Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
Jay?
Yes, ma'am.
Amit? Amit? Antima?
Present, ma'am.
Apurva?
Present, ma'am.
Ashwini?
Yes, ma'am.
Ashwini?
Yes, ma'am.
Bindu? Divyesh? Divyesh? Gaurish?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಬಿಂದು ಮೈಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ
Gautami?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
Present, ma'am.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಬಿಂದು ಮೈಕ್
ಗುಣಶೇಖರ್? ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
Ma'am, Gunashekar present, ma'am.
Okay. Harini? Okay, Gunashekar. Harini?
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Surya? Okay, Surya? Surya? Surya is not there. Nayana?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Nazma?
Present, ma'am.
Nidhi? Nidhi last class also she was absent. Pradeep? Preeti?
Present, ma'am.
Rajesh? Sahadev?
Present, ma'am.
Saket? Santosh?
Present, ma'am.
Seema?
Yes, ma'am.
Sinchana?
Present, ma'am.
Spurti?
Present, ma'am.
Spurti?
Present, ma'am.
Suru? Okay. Suru?
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Varsha?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Varsha? Okay. Yashashwini?
Present,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Varsha present.
I marked.
Okay.
Amrita?
Present, ma'am.
Anusha?
Present, ma'am.
Apurva?
Present, ma'am.
Sai Siddharth?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
Chetana?
Present, ma'am.
Kavya?
Present, ma'am.
Madhu?
Present, ma'am.
Anish absent. Anish?
Present, ma'am.
Sarfaraz?
Present, ma'am.
Manish present, ma'am.
Okay. Manish and Madhushri I marked. Murgesh,
Present, ma'am.
Muttumani,
Present, ma'am.
Paresh,
Present, ma'am.
Pooja,
Present, ma'am.
Pratibha,
Present, ma'am.
Prashant,
Ma'am, Prashant. Present, ma'am.
हाँ प्रशांत. Pratik,
Present, ma'am.
Sadhana.
Present, ma'am.
Why absent last class? Sadhana already have lot of shortage. Shraddha,
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am, Shashank.
हाँ Shashank.
Present, ma'am.
Last class absent. Shashank. Last class absent.
Present, ma'am. Last
Why
class, present,
absent?
I
Present.
was present, ma'am, last class.
Okay. Sridhar,
Present, ma'am.
Tanuj,
Present, ma'am.
Tejaswini,
Present, ma'am.
Umehani,
Present, ma'am.
Ashish, Vidya,
Present, ma'am.
Vishal. Okay, Vishal.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Okay, Ashish